Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and relationship between zeros and coefficients of the quadratic polynomial verification. Okay. First of all, the general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. ax square plus bx plus c. The condition is a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c belongs to R. This is the general form of the quadratic polynomial. We know that every quadratic polynomial has maximum two zeros. Maximum two zeros. That zeros are let alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. We know that alpha is the zero of the polynomial, then x minus alpha is the factor of the polynomial. Alpha is 0, x minus alpha is the factor. Beta is 0, x minus beta is also factor of the polynomial. So, p of x equal to two zeros, that is x minus alpha into x minus beta. X minus alpha into x minus beta with multiply k. So, this is the formula of the given polynomial zeros are alpha and beta. That polynomial is k into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Next one, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta times of x plus alpha into beta. This is the product of x minus alpha into x minus beta. K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Next, multiply with k, open the bracket. So, k times of x square minus alpha plus beta times of k into x plus alpha into beta into k. Okay. K into x square minus of alpha plus beta into kx plus alpha into beta into k. This is the product of k into x minus alpha into x minus beta. This is equal to the general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Here compare the x square terms. X square terms a equal to k and x terms b equal to minus of alpha plus beta into k. Alpha plus beta into k. The constant c equal to alpha into beta into k. Here a value equal to k equal, b value equal to minus of alpha plus beta into k. Here minus is moved to the right side, left side. So minus b. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b and k is multiply the alpha plus beta to get the transpose to the right side, left side minus b by k. And here is also alpha into beta is multiply with k. K is transposed to the left side. So alpha into beta equal to c by k. C by k. From the equation 1, k value equal to 1, k. So sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Product of zeros is equal to c by a. This is the relation between zeros and coefficients. Zeros and coefficients of the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta means product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to c by a. Here c means constant, a means x square coefficient. And sum of zeros equal to minus b by a minus of x coefficient by x square coefficient. Okay. Observe the screen. So, two zeros are possible, that is alpha and beta. So, ax square plus bx plus c equal to k times of x minus alpha into x minus beta. Okay. Next one, k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Open the bracket. Kx square minus k into alpha plus beta plus x, k into alpha into beta. Compare the coefficients of x square, x and constant terms on both sides. A equal to 1 k, b equal to minus k into alpha plus beta. Here minus k is multiply transposed to the left side minus b by k minus b by a from the equation 1. Okay. Next one, c. C is equal to k times of alpha into beta. K is transposed to the left side, alpha into beta get the c by k. K value equal to a. So c by a. Sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. And alpha into beta product of 0 is equal to c by a. Okay students, these two are use the formulas or verification also use. First question, find the zeros of the polynomial. These are the 4 mark questions, 4 marks important questions. So find the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 8x plus 6 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Verification between relationship between zeros and coefficients. In the fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th videos only we find the zeros. Here 12th video we find the zeros and verify relation between zeros and coefficients. Next, write the first of all p of x equal to given polynomial is 2x square minus 8x plus 6. This is the quadratic polynomial. Maximum 2 zeros are possible. Let first step is p of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0. Write down 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. Next one, compare the general form. So here x square coefficient is 2 and x coefficient is b equal to minus 6 and constant c equal to 6. Okay, x square coefficient is 2, x coefficient is minus 8, constant c is equal to 6. Next step, multiply the rough work, right side corner, a into c. A into c means 2 into 6. 2 6 is 12. Here plus 12 means both are same product of two numbers. Possible products 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Here both are the same symbol. Plus 12 means both are same symbol. Both are plus, both are minus. The b value, sum of two numbers is minus 8. So minus 8 means both are negative. Both are negative. So sum is 8 possible. Product is 12. 3 values possible. But sum is only 1 possible. 1 plus 12 is 13. Wrong. 3 plus 4 is 7. This one is also wrong. So 2 and 6 is the correct. But minus 2, minus 6. Because the sum is minus 8. So minus 2x minus 6x. Okay students. The middle term is changed to sum of two terms. First one is the 2x square minus 2x minus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. Next one, first two terms is the common x and sometimes another factor 2. 2 is also common. So 2x, x minus 1, x minus 1. Third term symbol is minus common. 6 is also common because 6 1 is 6x. So x. Fourth term symbol is change, minus 1. Okay, check. 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Minus 6 into x, minus 6x. Minus into minus, plus 6 1 is 6. Next one, here apply the distributive law. X minus 1 is the common. Remaining terms 2x minus 6 equal 0. X minus 1 into 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So we know that product of two numbers equal to 0. First number equal to 0 or second factor 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2, x is equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 is the one answer, x is equal to 3 is the one of the 0. So here x is 1 is the alpha, x is equal to 3 is the beta. So alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 3. This is the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, complete this one. Here only 2 marks. Another one, relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay, next. Here x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. These two are the zeros of the polynomial. So write down alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 3. Next one, write again the polynomial. P of x is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Next one, write the coefficients. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 8, C is equal to 6. Okay students, alpha beta right and coefficients also right, because we verify relationship between zeros and coefficients. Here first of all, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 4 is written the 8 by 2. 4 is written 8 by 2. Okay. So 8 by 2 is also 4. This is the equivalent fraction of the 4. 4 is equal to 8 by 2. 8 is written in the product of minus 8. 8 is changed to minus 8. Here minus 8, observe the coefficients b. Minus b by 2 means a, minus b by a. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is the correct or wrong? Yes, correct. Sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Next, second one, product of zeros, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta equal to 1 into 3. 1 into 3 equal to 3. 3 is written 6 by 2. Write the equivalent fraction of 3. 6 by 2. So 6 is here constant c. 2 is coefficient of x square. So c by a. So the product of zeros is equal to c by a. This one is also correct. Okay. Sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Product of zeros equal to c by a. Okay students. So therefore the relationship verified zeros and coefficients. Okay. So write the notebook. Here first of all, it has maximum quadratic polynomial, maximum 2 zeros possible. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 8, C equal to 6. Here the rough work. A into C. A into C equal to 12. 12 is the product of two numbers minus 2 and minus 6. Okay. So write down x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. One is the alpha, one is the beta. Here in the second right side, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 3. Next coefficients, A equal to 2, B equal to minus 1, C is equal to 6. First one, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equal to 1 plus 3. Here 4 equal to minus 8 by 2. Minus 8 by 2. Okay. Here minus 8 by 2. Okay. Next one, here 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is written 6 by 2. 6 by 2. Okay. 6 by 2 means 6 means C, 2 means A. 6 by 2 is the answer. Okay na students? Thank you. Next video, another question. We verify relation between zeros and coefficients. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.